Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're reviewing the WOLFBOX G840S 12 4K mirror dash cam backup camera. This incredible device offers 2160p Full HD Smart Rearview mirror for cars, trucks, front and rear view dual cameras, night vision, parking assistance, and it even comes with a free 32GB card GPS with its stunning 4K UHD resolution. This mirror camera records crystal clear front images and 1080p rear images, making your driving and reversing experience safer and more convenient. The 12 larger screen and broad view provide an ultra-wide view, minimizing blind spots for safer driving. With Smart Screen Split function, you can observe a dual-lens display simultaneously. The WOLFBOX mirror camera also features enhanced night vision, GPS tracking, 24H precise parking monitor, and more smart functions to make your driving experience effortless and stress-free. Plus, with the new upgrade to USB-C power supply, the use process is even more stable and reliable. So, if you want to upgrade your driving experience and ensure the safety of your car, click the link in the description to get your hands on the WOLFBOX G840S 12 4K mirror dash cam backup camera today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching and drive safe.